This 10 inches sliding compound dual bevel miter saw with laser marker system. Metabo HPT is designed to deliver a professional finish. This Metabo HPT is lightweight 40.7 pounds and equipped with a new simple and compact slide structure. This slide system decreases the footprint of the saw by up to a foot, enabling the saw to sit nearly flush against a wall or on a bench without compromising the range of movement. For this reason, the mitre saw is a great mitre saw for small shops and tight garages. The saw is equipped with an LED light to give the user more visibility and a safer work environment in low-light situations. This saw does not include a soft start. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Zero Rear Clearance Slide System. This allows the saw head to slide along fixed rails for effortless and smooth movement, while easily fitting on a benchtop without compromising the range of motion. Number 2. Equipped with LED light for added visibility and a safer work environment in low-light situations. Number 3. Ergonomic Upfront Bevel Lock for quick and easy adjustments of the bevel angles without having to reach around to the back of the saw. Number 4. Tool-less laser marker for cutting accuracy that can be easily adjusted to the user's preference. Number 5. Includes Metabo HPT miter saw, 10 inches 40 TTCT saw blade, dust bag, vise assembly, 13 mm box wrench. Number 6. Powerful 15 amp motor to tackle tough cutting jobs with ease. Number 7. Bevel angle. 0 to 48 degrees bevel angle range to the right and left allows the user to quickly and easily flip the saw blade and leave the material in place. Number 8. Mitre angle. 0 to 60 degrees mitre angle to the right and 0 to 55 degree mitre angle to the left for ultra flexibility. Number 9. Lightweight. Only 40.7 pounds makes for easy transport to the job site. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.